How to cook easy veggie tofu and mushroom in oyster sauce. First things first, we need our firm tofu. We need to drain the tofu to remove excess moisture. So we wrap the tofu in paper towel and then we place a heavy object on top for 15 to 20 minutes. And then afterwards, we can slice the tofu. Next, we heat oil in a pan and then we fry the tofu. Flip to cook the other side. And once done, set aside. Next, we have to boil our broccoli and carrots. And then we remove the veggies from the water once done. Next, in another pan, we saute onion, ginger, and the garlic paste. And then we add the mushrooms. Here I have two kinds, the brown mushroom and the shiitake. After that, we add the bell peppers and some cracked pepper, and then the baby corns. Next, we drizzle with some sesame oil. And then we add the boiled broccoli and carrots. We add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then we give it a little mix. And finally, we add the cooked tofu. And we're done. Thank you for watching.